ఆదికాండము 25వ అధ్యాయము. జెనసిస్ చాప్టర్ 25. Abraham took another wife whose name was Keturah. She was born him Zimran, Jokshan, Medan, Midian, Ishbak and Shuah. Jokshan fathered Sheba and Dedan. The sons of Dedan were Ashurim, Letushim and Lonmin. The sons of Midian were Hepha, Epher, Mona, Abida and Elda. All these were the children of Keturah. Abraham gave all he had to Isaac, but to the sons of his concubines Abraham gave gifts. And while concubines Abraham gave gifts, and while he was still living, he sent them away from his son Isaac eastward to the east country. These are the days of the years of Abraham's life, 175 years. Abraham breathed his last and died in a good old age, an old man and full of years, and was gathered to his people. Isaac and Ishmael his sons buried him in the cave of Machpelah in the field of Ephron, the son of Zophar the Hittite, east of Mamre. The field that Abraham purchased from the Hittites, there Abraham was buried with Sarah his wife. After the death of Abraham, God blessed Isaac his son, and Isaac settled at Beer-lahai Roi. These are the generations of Ishmael, Abraham's son, whom Hagar the Egyptian, Sarah's servant, bore to Abraham. These are the names of the sons of Ishmael, named in the order of their birth: Nebaioth, the firstborn of Ishmael, and Kedar, Adbeel, Mibsam, Mishma, Dumah, Massa, Hadad, Tema, Jethur, Napshi, and Kedama. These are the sons of Ishmael, and these are their names by their villages and by their encampments, 12 princes according to their tribes. These are the years of the life of Ishmael, 137 years. The breath he breathed his last and died, and was gathered to his people. They settled from Havilah to Shur, which he opposite Egypt in the direction of Assyria. He settled over against all his kinsmen. These are the generations of Isaac, Abraham's son. Abraham fathered Isaac, and Isaac was 40 years old when he took Rebekah, the daughter of Bethuel and Araman of Paddan Aram, the sister of Laban and Aramean, to be his wife. And Isaac prayed to the Lord for his wife because she was barren, and the Lord granted his prayer, and Rebekah his wife conceived. The children struggled together within her, and she said, "If it is thus, why is this happening to me?" So she went to inquire to the Lord, and the Lord said to her, "Two nations are in your womb. The two people from within you shall be divided. One shall be stronger than the other. The older shall serve the younger." When her days to give birth were completed, behold, there were twins in her womb. The first come out red, all his body like a hairy cloak. So they called his name Esau. Afterwards his brother came out with the hand holding Esau's heel. So his name was called Jacob. Isaac was 60 years old when he bore them. When the boys grew up, Esau was a skillful hunter, a man of the field, while Jacob was a quiet man, dwelling in tents. Isaac loved Esau because he ate of his game, but Rebekah loved Jacob. Once when Jacob was cooking stew, Esau came in from the field, and he was exalted. Esau said to Jacob, "Let me eat some of the red stew, for I am exalted." Therefore his name was called Edom. Jacob said, "Sell me your birthright now." Esau said, "I am about to die. Of what use is a birthright to me?" Jacob said, "Swear to me now." So he swore to him and he sold his birthright to Jacob. Then Jacob gave Esau bread and lentils too, and he ate and drank and rose and went his way. Thus Joshua despised his birthright.